In this video, I will be explaining how to get into cryptocurrency and begin building wealth with this fast-growing new market. Think of this video as a beginner's guide to your journey to building wealth with crypto. Disclaimer, nothing in this video is financial advice. I am a random guy on the internet, so take this as part of your education. Okay, we're going to cover using a crypto exchange, some of my favorite coins, and my favorite crypto research site. But first, let's talk about the market. Bitcoin and the crypto market follows a 4-year cycle, 2 years of going up, 2 years of going down. We have just begun the 2 years of going up phase. Here is a Bitcoin indicator that predicts the peak price of Bitcoin. As you can see, this indicator predicts Bitcoin's peak price to reach about $158,000 in 2025. From Bitcoin's current price, that would be about a 2.5x. This 4-year market cycle revolves around an event called the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving is an automatic event built into the code of the Bitcoin protocol that says every 4 years, roughly, the amount of new Bitcoins entering circulation is cut in half. Very simply, think of it this way. As the supply of Bitcoin goes down, given demand stays the same, the price goes up. This chart on screen now plots Bitcoin's price from the beginning with the halvings marked as well. Each of these vertical green lines is the Bitcoin halving. As you can see, after each halving, we had a very strong pump every time. About 6 months after the 2012 halving, Bitcoin went on a very strong pump. About 6 months after the 2016 halving, Bitcoin went on another really big pump. And in 2020, about 6 months after the Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin went on a really big pump. I'm sure you're seeing the pattern here. The last Bitcoin halving was this year, April in 2024. So roughly 6 months after then, Bitcoin's price should start really picking up. Thus, now is actually the best time to get into Bitcoin in the crypto market, as this is when you can make the most gains. This is another Bitcoin model called the power law. The orange line is Bitcoin's price. The purple line is usually the top of a bull run or when it's going up. The red line is usually the bottom of a bear market or when it's going down. And the green line is the fair valuation or the middle. So you want to be in the market when it goes up and get out of the market before it comes back down. If we zoom in into where we are right now, you can see that crash here in 2022 when it crashed down to this red line, and it has since then been coming back up. Bitcoin's next move is to cross this green line and head towards the purple line, so it is a really good time to be in the market. And just for those curious, this chart is Bitcoin's CAGR over the last 4 years. Essentially, it tracks Bitcoin's average annual return, which means how much money you get every year from having your money in Bitcoin. And right now, Bitcoin's average annual return over the last 4 years is 50%. That means you get 50% of your wealth back every single year from having your wealth in Bitcoin. This includes the crashes that Bitcoin's gone through, so it's much higher if you only catch the uptrends. And just for reference, this is 5 times better than the stock market. Okay, now we've covered some basic market information and you're ready to jump into getting some crypto. We are going to use something called a crypto exchange. A crypto exchange is where we buy and sell cryptocurrency. There are many different exchanges, but for this video, we're going to be using one called Gemini. That's because I have a deal with Gemini that the channel subscribers can get free $10 deposited right into their account if they use the link in the description. And you have to make a trade of $100 or more. It is important you use the link, otherwise Gemini won't know that you're coming from this channel, and so they won't give the money to your account. If you'd rather use Coinbase, I'm going to add a pop-up right here at the top right corner where I had a whole video covering exactly how to use this exchange, which you can click and watch now. I do want to say that these are going to be very similar, so even if you watch this video, you'll probably know how to use Coinbase as well. So here's what you have to do. First, make your account. You're going to have to verify your identity and link your bank account. This is all very normal and not suspicious because this is a regulated crypto exchange and they have to verify your information for the government. So go ahead and do that, and then you're going to have access to their platform. They also have a mobile app, which I highly suggest you get because it's easy to use and it'll be on you at all times. And now it's time to deposit some money into the exchange. And this is when I give you the biggest tip I can possibly give you. Guys, I know it is super scary using one of these for the first time. We've all been there. So start start by depositing like $5, maybe $10, baby steps, something to get you started and more comfortable and confident using something like this. If you try to start with something like 5 digits or 6 digits right off the bat, you're going to be too anxious and you're never going to get involved in crypto. So seriously, go ahead and link your bank account and just add $10 to it and practice buying a few different coins. For the sake of this video, I went ahead and deposited like $20 into my account, and we're going to buy some Bitcoin together just to show you the process. Plus, when you deposit your first $10 and just play around with it, you'll see that it just doesn't suddenly vanish, that, nothing blows up, that it's all totally normal, safe, and secure, and you're going to build your confidence and your comfort. Okay, let's go ahead and invest in some crypto. This is the home page, but if you go up to the top left and click on the trade tab, this will open up a tab of all of their different coins that you can buy. You can scroll through them, see what you like, see all these different options. But for the sake of this video, guys, we're just going to keep it simple and we're just going to buy some Bitcoin. So we're going to go ahead and click Bitcoin, and it's going to pop up the Bitcoin chart. Don't even worry about this. What we care about is this tab on the right here. This is where we decide how much Bitcoin we want to buy. So let's go ahead and enter the amount. Let's say I have $20 in my account, but I want to buy $10 of Bitcoin. I'll go ahead and type in 10, and then I'm going to hit review order. After I hit review order, it's going to show me this tab of how much Bitcoin I'm buying, and you can see that I have a $1 fee, so I'm actually going to have $9 of Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and click confirm buy. The order has been placed. Let's click done. And let's head back over. At the top left here, I can click portfolio, and it'll take me to my portfolio, and look at that. I now have $9 worth of Bitcoin. Let's say I want to sell my Bitcoin. Very simple. I can go back to the trade tab and click Bitcoin, or I can click Bitcoin through my portfolio right here, and then it'll open up Bitcoin again. We're going to go to, on the trade menu, we're going to hit sell now instead of buy. And you can see that down here is my Bitcoin available balance. And let's go ahead and type some in. Let's say I want to sell this much Bitcoin, about $6 worth of Bitcoin. I click review order, I can see my trade information, and I can click confirm sell. Now, generally you want to buy when it's low and sell when it's high, but for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you how to do it, so I'm just doing it now. And let's say I really like Pepe and I want to buy some Pepe. What I can do is I can come over here and star it. That way it'll always appear in my watch list if I ever click this. And I'm going to go ahead and click Pepe. And I am going to buy $15 worth of Pepe. So I'm going to type that in, review order, and I'm going to go ahead and confirm it. And now I have $15 worth of Pepe, as we can see in my portfolio down here. So now you know how to buy and sell cryptocurrency. But guys, the truth is, altcoins, which is any other coin other than Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum, tend to perform much better than Bitcoin actually does. For example, every time Bitcoin doubles in price, altcoins can do a 5 to 10x. So lots of people in the crypto market tend to buy more altcoins than Bitcoin to try to outperform the market. If you're investing in cryptocurrency, this should be your goal as well. So having a little bit of your portfolio allocated to some altcoins could be a really good idea. So I'm going to quickly tell you about some of my favorite altcoins that you could consider to put in your portfolio. So the first altcoin you can consider besides Bitcoin is, of course, Ethereum. Ethereum is the second biggest coin behind Bitcoin, but they do different things. Bitcoin seeks to be honest money, money free from inflation. Ethereum seeks to be a world computer. Here's the thing. Bitcoin invented blockchain, but Ethereum invented EVM and smart contracts. In short, this allows Ethereum to run applications and games just like the internet does. So I can run my game either on the internet or on Ethereum. This is called a smart contract platform blockchain. In other words, Ethereum is a unique project in its early stages, so it could be a good idea to have some in your portfolio. The second coin on our list is Solana, which is actually the fifth biggest coin in the crypto market. Solana is extremely similar to Ethereum, however, it seeks to make some improvements to Ethereum. The Ethereum network can sometimes get congested, slow, and a little bit expensive to use. Solana, instead of the EVM, uses the SVM, which uses parallel processing instead of sequential processing. That just means Solana can run faster and is cheaper to use. However, the Ethereum network has a lot more applications built on it, and Solana is still emerging. The third other coin you can consider putting in your portfolio is called Aerodrome Finance, or Aero. This is when crypto starts getting really complicated because this is what's known as a DeFi project. This is a decentralized exchange on the Base blockchain. Really simply, Aero lets people swap their coins on the Base blockchain in a decentralized manner. This coin is ranked 157 and is a useful coin with a lot of upside potential. So if you want something new and modern, you can go with a coin like Aero. The last coin I'll talk about is a coin called Pepe. Pepe is what's known as a meme coin, which means that it doesn't actually do anything. But before you totally disregard this coin, the truth is meme coins tend to do really well in the crypto market. Meme coins tend to form really big communities and support, and usually see their prices totally skyrocket. Pepe is emerging as the Doge coin of the 2024 to 2025 bull run. If you're not sure what that means, basically really quickly, Dogecoin did really well last cycle in 2021, and it's expected that Pepe might do that this cycle. So that's a small list of altcoins that I expect will outperform the market that you could consider putting in your portfolio. I actually did a whole video on building an amazing portfolio for this cycle, which I will link right here, and I definitely suggest you go check out. Okay, next, I'm going to cover my favorite crypto research website that I use every single day to find the best coins, make sure I'm not buying scams, and check the coins that other influencers are shilling me and telling me that I have to buy. Before we jump into it, I need to make you aware of an amazing resource in our Discord group. We have an exclusive AI trading assistant that will help you tremendously. You can do /info any coin you want, and it'll give you a whole blurb about what it is and what it does, so you actually know what you're buying. You can also do /supply, and again, any coin you want, and it will give it a rating out of 100 based on its tokenomics. Tokenomics is essentially evaluating the supply side economics of your designated coin. As you can see, the AI trading assistant gave Bitcoin a 94 out of 100. The AI trading assistant also posts automatic daily market updates so you can get an idea of market valuation. As you can see, it's pretty mixed, with some saying undervalued, overvalued, and mostly fairly valued. And this just essentially means it's a pretty good time to buy. You don't want to buy if all of these are saying overvalued or grossly overvalued. This can help you make more informed decisions about when to buy and when to sell. You can also do /ask and ask it any question, and it will respond to you in a private thread. We also have a news channel where you can get the latest news automatically posted straight into this channel, and you can see what's going on. These are some amazing features that you cannot find anywhere else, so I definitely suggest you join the Discord. It's free to join, and the link is in the description. That being said, the website you have to know about is called CoinGecko. CoinGecko is a crypto data aggregator site which collects tons of information about tons of different cryptocurrencies. Yes, this is the site that I was just using to tell you my favorite altcoins, but I set it back to light mode because that's the default appearance, just to make it look like it would to you. So head over to CoinGecko and you can research any coin you want. You can either scroll through and pick what coin you want, or you can search which coin you want to look at. Let's take a look at Bitcoin just for the sake of simplicity. I can click Bitcoin and open up Bitcoin's profile and get all sorts of data about it. One of the most important things to know about a coin is what it does. So you can scroll down to this about section and you can read about exactly what it is. This is super helpful for when you hear other influencers or maybe me talking about a coin and you don't really know what it is or what it does. You can come over here to CoinGecko, head over to the about section and read about it, and now you have an idea. You can also view its current price, how well it's done in the last 24 hours, and its market cap and fully diluted valuation. The market cap of a coin determines its full potential. The bigger the market cap, the less potential. Bitcoin has a very big market cap, meaning it is the lowest risk, lowest reward coin in all of cryptocurrency. This is something that everyone gets wrong. Everyone thinks that the price determines potential, but they don't realize that it's actually the market cap. I see so many people that think something like XRP is a great coin because, XRP is only at 60 cents. Bitcoin's at 60,000. Can you imagine when XRP is at 60,000? XRP has so much room to grow, but they don't realize that XRP's market cap is already huge. $34 billion market cap, $60 billion fully diluted valuation. So the truth is, XRP is already a huge coin because it has such a large market cap and does not have a whole lot of potential compared to other coins lower on this list. So think of market cap as the potential rating, not the price. Think of coins with over a $10 billion market cap as low risk, low potential. Coins with under $1 billion market cap are high risk, high potential, and coins with in between are, medium risk, medium potential. Now, to calculate market cap, you take the price of each coin and multiply it by the circulating supply. This will give you the total amount of money all in Bitcoin. So now you know there's over $1 trillion invested in Bitcoin. Fully diluted valuation is the total supply, not just circulating supply. Bitcoin has a total supply of 21 million, but not all of them are circulating yet. Some have yet to be mined. But if we take the total supply and multiply it by the price, that'll give us the fully diluted valuation. Think of the fully diluted valuation as being more accurate of the valuation of a coin than the market cap. This was a basic explanation of CoinGecko. I also have a more in-depth video on how to use this site that I'll link right here, which I highly suggest you go watch as well. Guys, I do one-on-one calls on my website, so if you want a more personalized experience, sign up for that and we can have a discussion. I also suggest you join the Discord so you can be part of our community for this upcoming run. You can get the most up-to-date, accurate information here, so if you're a crypto investor, you should definitely be part of this group. Please like this video, it was a lot of work, and subscribe so you can stick around. Guys, we have a lot more to cover. It's going to get crazy real soon, so we should do this together. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome to crypto. See you around.